Hi guys, I am so excited. It has been so long since I have done a makeup tutorial and I heard that we're doing latte makeup. So as cringy as I am, I went ahead and just got a pumpkin cream cold brew because why not? I also didn't have a better idea for the thumbnail. So basically this is the same makeup that I have been doing since I was in high school. This is nothing new. I just think these look so dumb. Okay. Like, how do girls make these little clips look cute? It is what it is. Okay, so I will be using the Colourpop Deja Brew eyeshadow palette. Isn't that just the cutest name? It makes me so happy. I have not used this yet. I have had every intention of saving this for this video specifically, and I'm so proud of myself for not caving. I actually was able to save it for this because I bought it months ago, but latte makeup doesn't sound very summery for me, and it honestly took off at like the start of summer, and I'm like, no. I'm gonna wait until fall, so I'm glad that I did. So beautiful. So let's just go ahead and get to work. Starting from the top, I am going to be using my Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream. I have said in a previous video, I don't even really know if this product does anything, but the key is to just keep your eyes hydrated. Combat those premature wrinkles. And then going in with the usual Neutrogena Hydroboost. I'm not even kidding you guys, I went all summer long without wearing eyeshadow or fake eyelashes. It's just not in me anymore. I am so thankful that honestly the makeup trends have simplified so much because it simplified at just the right time. Like it was full glam when I wanted it to be full glam, if that makes sense. I was really getting into makeup out of high school. It was just so much fun to do whatever with my looks, and now it's like, oh God, I just don't have the time for that. So I almost feel like I don't even know what I'm doing here, but it is my amazing sister-in-law's wedding in 2 days and I am so excited for them. So this is almost just like a practice run of what I might be doing for my makeup for their wedding. I'm going in with this same primer I have been using for a couple years now, the Hailey's Beauty Refined Soft Matte Poreless Primer. I am going to have to repurchase another one soon. It's just the best. Like, I don't know if you guys can just see how that made my skin so soft matte, but it's perfect. The thing is, when I find products that work for me and my sensitive, acne-prone, oily skin, I stick to them. So that's why I don't really care to make many makeup tutorials anymore because nothing's really changing. And honestly, I do not like any of the foundations that I own right now. It's so depressing that Dior completely reformulated, aka ruined, their Dior Backstage foundation. That was my go-to. And I do still have some of the old formulation, but it is like for when I am naturally tanned and self-tanned, which I'm really not right now because hello fall. The foundation that I have been settling for is just a classic. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear. You can't really go wrong with it. It's just it's not what I want. You know, I want better than this. I am using the shade 3N1 Ivory Beige. This is just feeling like the good old days right now. I'm literally sitting on the floor doing my makeup. I don't have a foundation pump. The nostalgia. I'm going in with my sponge from Amazon. I did not leave my self-tanner on for long enough last night, so hopefully this is gonna turn out okay. I just got tired, okay? I couldn't do it anymore. I had to rinse it off. Like, do these even work? These are apparently, oh my gosh, supposed to be creaseless little hair clips. I feel like they also became kind of trendy. It's like, really these? Like, are they that great? I'm not really thinking so. Okay, I feel like I have a decent even layer of that and I don't really want to overdo it. I cannot wait to buy a new one of these during the Sephora sale. I'm going in with my very old Hourglass Vanish concealer in the shade Birch. I have barely any left. I have to like churn it. I also feel like I need to hurry because it's old and dried out. I feel like my makeup sponge has been way too damp this whole time and it's probably gonna completely alter how my makeup turns out on my face, but whatever. I'm just gently blending this out a little bit more around my eyes and my nostrils with my Sigma F03 brush. I really need to go buy more of this, but this is my Revlon Color Stay Blot Matte Setting Powder. This is a beautiful powder paired with this foundation. I'm using my Sigma F28 Powder Bronzer brush. This is the perfect brush for setting powder. Could you imagine if I just haven't even been recording this whole time? I always get anxiety about that. I'm like, Make sure that little red light's on. So, I mean, by the time I have this uploaded, it'll be a couple weeks from now. And my sister-in-law will already be married. Speaking of discontinued Dior products, this is their Backstage Contour Palette. And I honestly I don't know what shade can top this. I just don't even know. It is the perfect, most natural contour color. I was using one from Hailey's Beauty for a hot minute, and then I was realizing like how awful it was making my makeup look. It just wasn't the right shade at all. So then I whipped this bad boy out again, and I just don't even know what to do. Just going in with my finger. I would not normally be in a tank top in October, but Wisconsin just doesn't even know what time of the year it is apparently. Granted, I'm filming this on Thursday, October 5th. It's supposed to drop into the 50s after this, so I honestly cannot wait. For bronzer, I am using the Jaclyn Hill Vitamin D Pressed Bronzer and applying it with the Sigma F44. One thing I could live without is how this is scented. It smells like a fall Bath & Body Works candle, and it's fine for this time of the year, but it's so overpowering. I hope these little acne scars go away before our trip in a couple weeks. We're going back to Cancun. We just love it there so much, and honestly, like, we have not been seasoned travelers at all. This is our third time going to the exact same spot because we're so excited to just do it right finally. Like, each time we have gone, like, we don't know what we're doing and something goes wrong. So I feel like we finally know what we're doing. We owe it to ourselves to win this battle, okay? And then we can venture elsewhere after this trip. Plus, traveling is so expensive. Like, why wouldn't you go where you know that you are going to be happy and you feel safe, you know? So let's move on to blush. I feel like it's only right with this latte inspired makeup to do MAC's Mocha Matte Powder Blush. It's just a really pretty neutral pink because when I think latte makeup, I do not think of the bright pink blushes that a lot of us have been into lately. Which, granted, I probably should have wiped my blush brush off because it's filled with that still. This is the Morphe X Ariel A3.2. My gosh, I forgot how pretty this color is. I would just think of Mocha being more brown, but this is pink. Just a nice muted pink. For highlight, I have not had enough of this ever since I bought it in the winter, like last fall. I forget, it was whenever the last Sephora sale was. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter in the shade Champagne Glow. It is the only highlighter I have used pretty much ever since. And I also love this highlighter brush that I purchased not too long ago, sometime over the summer. It's the It Cosmetics brushes for Ulta, and it's just their Airbrush Flawless Highlight Brush. It truly is airbrushed and flawless. Just works it into the skin with the other products so good. Do a little on the nose. I'm excited because I have a few new products to test out for you guys today. First, I'm just going in with my usual Colourpop eyebrow pencil in the shade Brunette. I love you till my lungs give out. I ain't lying. Whenever I record me doing my eyebrows, it makes me realize how long it takes. It drives me crazy. I just like to make sure that they're just right. Not too harsh, but not too light. Brushed out just right. All that good stuff. So the new product that I have to try, I really don't know about this, you guys, but I saw a influencer use this on TikTok and her eyebrows looked so good. So, I mean, we'll see how it does on my eyebrows. It's the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And this is just the miniest size because we are going to be traveling soon. So, but it's just so bizarre. Makes me think of a centipede. Okay, so the bristles are only on the edges and then it's flat. I'm nervous. Okay, there is not as much product on there as I thought there was going to be. It is not like the Patrick Ta Major Brow Lamination Gel, which I do not like, I decided. That looks good, actually. So yeah, you're supposed to use the flat part to, like, I don't know, make your eyebrows flat. Basically to give it more of that laminated look. See how that other eyebrow goes. I mean, at least I don't have to be afraid of it. Okay, so I am most likely going to use up this little trial travel size here and then purchase the full size during the Sephora sale, which it looks like they're having early this year. I'm super excited, which I shouldn't be because it's just spending more money, but I have certain things that I want to buy per usual. I actually really like this. Like I can, even though it felt like I was applying such minimal product, I can actually feel it on my eyebrows, which I really like because I feel like then it's doing something, like it's doing what I need it to do and it's gonna stay in place. I did not get that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I feel like this looks good, you guys. I think I love it. Yay! I love a new product workout. Yeah, I feel like this looks so good. There's no little white chunks on my eyebrows or anything. And they're like glossy, so that I just feel like they look really good. I think what I'm gonna do here is just set my whole lid with Sweet Foam. Ooh, yeah. I like that all over the lid. Yeah, the kickback is very real, but this palette is also very affordable. So I want to go in with Good Habit right here and my Sigma E35. I'm going to sort of start it over here. Gonna kind of focus this on my crease and the outer part of my eye. I don't really like the purple undertone in the Sweet Foam. I just feel like a lot of Colourpop's eyeshadows do that, where they look really pretty and then you get them on the eye and it's like, where did that undertone come from? I am gonna bring this under the eye a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Morphe X Ariel A20 with Brew Me Baby. Now I'm just gonna keep this on this lower part of my eye. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so if I were to start this look completely over, I would just skip the Sweet Foam and do bronzer all over my eyes. Not like it's bad, it's just not really what I was wanting. But that's the whole point of this video, is to just have fun and actually be diving into makeup again like this. Let's bring this underneath too. My contacts will love this. Next, I'm going to use the shade Pick Me Up, which is this one right here. And I'm going in with the A19 brush with this side of it. I'm just attempting to make it a little bit deeper by my lash line. But I don't think it's doing anything. Also going under the eye. And then I'm going to use the other side of it, which is a little bit more flat. And I'm going to use the shade Double Shot to essentially kind of make a wing. It's just the trick that I've been using for years now. Ooh, Crushed Oats is more of that like sheer shimmer that I was looking for. That is this middle shade. I'm gonna do a little bit of Cup of You. I like to apply these type of shades with my finger. Ooh, yeah. It's turning into an iced latte. I mean, I think it's giving latte vibes. Maybe not this latte because I'm not trying to do a pumpkin theme. Okay, let's even do a little bit of the salted caramel. Just like right in here. I love the little glitter it's leaving. Okay, and then Crushed Oats. Just a little bit of that in there too. Kind of marry those two shades. I don't know. Is it even like giving latte? We'll just put on the lashes and whatnot and see how it looks. I'm actually going to set this all into place before doing anything else with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I got the jumbo one because it was also on sale at Ulta. I try to be as much of a bargain shopper as possible. Don't always succeed, but sometimes. Before going in with mascara, I'm gonna do just a line of this black cream gel liner from Colourpop on my upper waterline. That salted caramel shade is so much more glittery than I would have expected it to be. Like, I do not typically think of glitter when I think of a latte, but here we are. I hate filming doing my waterline because I just think it's creepy. Like, who wants to see that? This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid liner. But I do just think that'll look good when I go in with a false eyelash. I'm liking it. What do you guys think? I feel like I should never ask that because you're just opening the door to hate it. Don't hate me. I am going to curl my lashes. I never used to do this and now I can't stop. I think I'll do it for forever. It also makes applying fake eyelashes so much easier because this just creates like such a good little, creates a little bookshelf for it. And then for mascara, I'm going in with the Essence Lash Princess. Using my little eyelash comb. Alright, time for the step that never stops being intimidating. I'm going in with these cheap half lashes from Amazon because they're actually really good quality. For lash glue, I am using this really dirty, ugly, old strip lash adhesive from Lash Couture, which is a Walmart brand. After applying a nice little layer, you just want to wait 30 seconds or so. I'm just gonna look down in my mirror. They say that these are half lashes, but I mean, I feel like they really aren't. They're actually just right for my eye shape. It's nice because then you don't have to be like measuring it and cutting off. Like it's just right the way it is, right off the packaging. Except for like the edges I've cut off. Has acid reflux from the latte. Now let's just do lips and then we are all done. I'm going in with the Colourpop Ashton Lippy Pencil. I'm just gonna keep with it, but I feel like I should have gone in with my like lightish brown lip liner. And then I'm first gonna go in with my Lawless Forget the Filler. This is in their limited edition Lavender Sorbet. Ooh wee, that was a lot. And then I'm not gonna stop there. I actually have one more new product to try for you guys, and it is this Makeup by Mario lip cream. And this is in the shade Nude Suede, which I think looks like a perfect nude right off the bat. Oh, it actually smells like coconut. I mean, I think I really like it. Hey guys, well, I'm sorry that the sun is gone. Solely relying on artificial lighting at this point, but this is how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you go if you haven't already, and please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of you guys watching. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you all next time. Bye!